Hi, welcome to Bentonville Virtual Schools. I am Mrs. Wise, your third grade teacher. I hope that you are as excited about virtual school as I am. Some information you might like to know about me. This is Brian. He is my husband, and we have been married for 31 years. Together, we have four daughters, two son in laws, and seven grandkids. Five boys and two girls, and they are the joy of my heart. A few of my favorite things. I like to play board games. My favorite board game is Catan. I like to go hiking and biking and snorkeling. Anything that's outdoors, I like to do. My most favorite thing to do is to spend time with my family. Some books that I love is Ferdinand the Bull and Oh, the Places You'll Go by Dr. Seuss and the Harry Potter series. I like the Harry Potter series better than the movie because the books go into more detail information about the plot line. What is your favorite book? Did you read a good book this summer? Send me an email and let me know what was your favorite book you read this summer and why. Some education information about me. I attended Missouri Baptist University and got my Bachelor's of Science in Elementary Education. I also have attended Arkansas State University and got a master's degree in educational leadership. And I have attended the University of Arkansas and received my certification for ESL or ELL. And I am currently attending the U of A to receive certification for K 12 online teaching. Some learning tools that we will have in our class this year is Dreambox, Seesaw, Lexia, Lookit, Google Meet, Pear Deck, Whiteboard, and Google Classroom. And we will learn those together. Don't fret about not knowing any of those. Here is my contact information if you would like to get a hold of me. I am so glad that you are in Mrs. Wise's third grade Wise Owl virtual class this year.